I tried Ownbit wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Ownbit wallet app, I didn't expect much, just another multi-chain wallet. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth is that Ownbit quietly offers features that even some of the biggest wallets overlove, especially when it comes to security and multi-signature control. On day 1, setup was smooth. Creating a new wallet took less than 2 minutes, and it supported all major cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and even tokens from smaller chains. By day 2, I explored its unique feature, multi-signature wallets. This lets you create shared wallets where multiple people must approve a transaction before it goes through. It's perfect for business accounts or shared funds. Most people ignore this, but it's one of the strongest security measures in crypto today. Midweek, I tested sending transactions. Every step was verified on screen, and the app provided detailed logs for tracking. I also tried importing my hardware wallet, and Ownbit supported that too, meaning you can combine cold and hot storage for extra flexibility. By day 5, I noticed how Ownbit prioritizes privacy. There are no unnecessary permissions, no data tracking, and it doesn't connect to your identity. Your private keys never leave your device, which is exactly how a crypto wallet should function. After 7 days, the shocking truth about Ownbit became clear. It's not the most famous wallet, but it's one of the most trustworthy. It's built for serious users, the ones who value security and shared control over flashy interfaces. If you're managing group funds or just want total confidence in your wallet security, Ownbit is worth your time. It's proof that in crypto, quiet innovation often beats loud marketing, because true safety speaks for itself.